Hello, and welcome to the tour of your new Forest River No Boundaries travel trailer. I'm going to take you around the exterior, and we're going to go through the interior. I'm just going to point out different things that this travel trailer comes with here. Moving up to the front, we do have a jack stand here. Have access to it right here. Propane, batteries. Battery disconnect is going to be in front of your trailer. It is currently on. If we switch that off, the unit will draw power from the batteries. Coming around here to this first compartment. Mainly storage. This will be what you will use to put that jack stand down up there. There is a hose. I will point out where that is utilized. Do have an awning. It is electric. I will point that out on the interior. This table right here clips to the exterior. You can find the table in the first compartment that I pointed out right over here. There's that compartment, does open up on the other side too. We will get to that. Moving down, we've got the hot water access. Got a 110 outlet right here. For that hose, this is where you will plug in. Moving around, furnace output right here. When the furnace is running, these will both be hot. Please be careful. Have a ladder for roof access. Coming around here, here's your 30 amp hookup. Got a black tank flush as well as a cable satellite. Down here we have your waste tank valves and the sewer outlet connection. Slide out. Coming around here, I'm going to go to the very bottom. Down here is your fresh water drain. Above that, city water connection. And the one that sits above that is going to be your freshwater connection. This will be to fill your freshwater tank. This will be when you're running off city water and you've got your hose hooked up and turned on. And then moving over, here is that compartment that we saw from the other side.